Mix castor oil and baking soda to treat 19 health issues. Have you ever wondered about the hidden powers of a simple blend of castor oil and baking soda? This isn't just an old-fashioned remedy, it's a powerhouse combination that can tackle a range of health issues, from long-standing skin troubles to joint discomfort. In this video, I'm diving deep into how this potent mix works, revealing its incredible benefits, and guiding you on how to use it for maximum effect. Plus, I'll highlight when to avoid it to ensure you get the best results. Stick around to discover the transformative potential of this natural remedy and unlock solutions you didn't know were possible. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming up next. The power of castor oil and baking soda. Imagine unlocking the full potential of nature's most effective remedies with just 2 ingredients. Castor oil, renowned for its high concentration of ricinoleic acid, has been a go-to for centuries, celebrated for its remarkable ability to soothe inflammation and relieve pain. Add baking soda to the mix, an incredible substance famed for neutralizing excess acids and calming inflammation, and you've got a formidable natural remedy that tackles a wide range of health issues. From chronic skin conditions and persistent joint pain to unexpected health woes, this powerful duo offers an all-natural approach that can truly transform your well-being. Ready to uncover how this blend works its wonders and discover the incredible benefits it can bring to your life? Let's dive in. 1. Improving skin health and healing. Castor oil is renowned for its moisturizing and skin elasticity boosting properties, making it an excellent remedy for dry skin, stretch marks, and minor cuts. When mixed with baking soda, which acts as an exfoliant, this blend helps remove dead skin cells, promoting the regeneration of new ones. Research suggests that castor oil can enhance collagen production, reducing scars and improving skin texture. How to use: mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Apply the paste to the affected area, leave it on for 15 minutes, and rinse with warm water. Use daily for optimal results. 2. Natural relief for joint and muscle pain. Over-the-counter painkillers are common for relieving joint and muscle pain, but this natural mixture offers an effective alternative. Castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties reduce swelling, while baking soda boosts blood flow and helps the oil penetrate sore muscles and joints. How to use: combine equal parts of castor oil and baking soda. Massage the mixture gently onto the painful area, cover with a warm cloth, and leave it on for about 30 minutes. 3. Boosting circulation and lymphatic drainage. A lesser-known benefit of this mixture is its ability to enhance blood circulation and lymphatic drainage. Improved lymph flow helps the body expel toxins more effectively, particularly benefiting those with chronic fatigue, inflammation, or poor circulation. How to use: massage the blend of castor oil and baking soda into the skin over areas with lymph nodes, such as the underarms or groin, to stimulate drainage and reduce swelling. 4. Tackling fungal infections. Both castor oil and baking soda have antimicrobial properties that can combat fungal infections like athlete's foot. They work by breaking down the protective layers of fungi, creating an environment where they cannot thrive. How to use: mix equal parts of castor oil and baking soda. Apply to the affected area, leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes, and then rinse. Repeat twice daily until the infection subsides. 5. Soothing insect bites and skin irritations. For those dealing with insect bites or skin irritation, this mixture helps soothe itching and reduce redness. Castor oil provides moisture and reduces inflammation, while baking soda neutralizes acids causing irritation. How to use: apply a small amount of the mixture to the bite or rash. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing. 6. Alleviating digestive issues and bloating. Castor oil is well known for stimulating digestion and relieving constipation. When combined with baking soda, which neutralizes stomach acid and reduces bloating, it becomes an effective natural remedy for digestive discomfort. How to use: for digestive issues, Take up to 5 drops of castor oil internally, but only after consulting a healthcare provider. Alternatively, apply the mixture to the abdomen as a topical treatment. Massage it in, cover with a warm cloth, and leave it on for about 30 minutes. 7. Reducing scars, stretch marks, and skin discoloration. Reducing scars and stretch marks can be challenging. However, castor oil's deep penetration into the skin and promotion of collagen production, combined with baking soda's gentle exfoliation, can gradually improve the appearance of scars, stretch marks, and dark spots over time. How to use: mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Apply the mixture to the affected area, leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes, and rinse. Repeat daily to see visible improvement over time. Before we continue, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. We have an exciting video coming up that dives into even more natural remedies you won't want to miss. 8. Combating acne and oily skin. Although it may seem counterintuitive to use oil on oily or acne-prone skin, castor oil is unique. Its fatty acids balance the skin's natural oil production, while its antimicrobial properties fight acne-causing bacteria. Paired with baking soda, which unclogs pores and exfoliates dead skin cells, this blend can help those struggling with acne or oily skin. How to use: mix equal parts of castor oil and baking soda. Apply to problem areas, let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse with warm water. Use 2 to 3 times a week. 9. Promoting hair and scalp health. For improving hair growth or addressing dandruff, this blend offers a natural solution. Castor oil nourishes hair follicles and stimulates growth, while baking soda exfoliates the scalp, removing dead skin cells and excess oil that may block hair follicles. How to use: mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Massage into the scalp, leave it on for 20 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. Use once a week. 10. Supporting lymphatic system and detoxification. Castor oil stimulates the lymphatic system, essential for flushing out toxins. Combined with baking soda, which helps maintain the body's pH balance, this blend promotes a favorable environment for detoxification. How to use: apply the mixture to areas with concentrated lymph nodes, such as the neck, armpits, or groin. Massage gently for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse. Regular use supports the body's natural detox processes. 11. Seamless integration with other treatments. This blend can easily complement other natural remedies or treatments you may already be using. For example, pairing it with essential oils like lavender or tea tree can enhance its antimicrobial properties. Additionally, incorporating this remedy into a balanced diet and regular exercise routine can further boost circulation and improve overall health. 12. Gentle relief for arthritis and joint stiffness. If you're dealing with arthritis or joint stiffness, this mixture can provide a gentle, soothing relief. Castor oil acts as a natural lubricant, reducing inflammation, while baking soda promotes blood flow to ease stiffness and discomfort. How to use: combine equal parts of castor oil and baking soda. Massage the mixture into the affected joint for about 10 minutes, cover with a warm towel, and let it rest for 30 minutes. For the best results, apply it before bed to relax your joints overnight. 13. Rejuvenating hand and foot care. Treat your hands and feet to some much-needed care with this mixture. Castor oil softens and moisturizes dry, cracked skin, while baking soda gently exfoliates and removes calluses, creating a refreshing at-home spa treatment. How to use: mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Massage into your hands and feet, focusing on dry or rough areas. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse with warm water. Repeat this a few times a week for smoother skin. 14. Improving nail health. If you have brittle or cracking nails, castor oil can help nourish and strengthen them. When combined with baking soda, this mixture keeps your cuticles soft and your nails healthy. How to use: apply a small amount of castor oil mixed with a pinch of baking soda directly to your nails and cuticles. Gently massage it in, leave it on for 10 minutes, and then wash it off. Regular use can keep your nails strong and looking great. 15. Soothing tired eyes. Long day? This mixture can help relieve tired eyes. Castor oil and baking soda work together to reduce puffiness and soothe discomfort around the eyes. How to use: mix 1/2 teaspoon of castor oil with a pinch of baking soda. Gently apply to your eyelids, close your eyes, and relax for about 10 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water for a refreshed feeling. 16. Reducing fine lines and wrinkles. Fine lines and wrinkles are a natural part of aging, but this blend can help minimize their appearance. Castor oil's deep moisturizing properties combined with baking soda's exfoliating action hydrate the skin and promote cell renewal. How to use: mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Apply to areas with fine lines, such as around the eyes or mouth, and leave it on for 15 minutes before rinsing. Repeat a few times a week for noticeable results. 17. Soothing sunburns. For a quick sunburn relief, turn to this castor oil and baking soda combination. Castor oil helps moisturize and repair damaged skin, while baking soda cools and soothes the burn. How to use: mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Apply to the sunburned area and let it absorb. Rinse with cool water and repeat as needed for relief. 18. Relieving menstrual cramps. Menstrual cramps can be a hassle, but this mixture might help alleviate some discomfort. The anti-inflammatory properties of castor oil reduce pain, while baking soda helps with bloating. How to use: massage the blend of castor oil and baking soda into your lower abdomen. Cover with a warm cloth to enhance the relief and relax the muscles. Use this remedy during menstrual cramps for comfort. 19. Easing headaches. Headaches and migraines can disrupt your day, but this remedy offers natural relief. Castor oil and baking soda help reduce tension and alleviate pain. How to use: mix equal parts of castor oil and baking soda. Apply to your temples and the back of your neck, massaging gently to ease headache symptoms. When to avoid using castor oil and baking soda. While this mixture has many benefits, there are times to use caution. Sensitive skin: if you have sensitive skin or allergies, do a patch test before broader application. Broken skin: avoid using the mixture on open wounds or broken skin, as it can cause irritation. Pregnancy and breastfeeding: always consult a healthcare provider before trying any new remedies during pregnancy or while breastfeeding. Which of these castor oil and baking soda remedies are you most eager to try? Have you used this combination before for any health issues? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear how this mix has worked for you. To learn more about natural remedies and nutrition, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated. And remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.